these are like combat moves, you know what I mean? Like, they just go out to war, and once they came back, those techniques would stay in the camp, and everybody else would die with the techniques that don't work.
I'm just done here with Gordo seminar. One of my favorite people to train under, people to work with, half guard, just all kinds of other stuff that he's done, like Champion Factory. You can go down to Brazil, you definitely want to go down to Gordo.
Well, here I am, and here they come.
The stuff we learned, I found very useful. I play a lot of half guard, so I think it's going to be beneficial to everybody who took the seminar.
My name's Gabriel Haro, train out of Sandro Batata BJJ Santa Cruz and Los Gatos, and just got done with the Gordo seminar right now and learned very good techniques. It helped my half guard game, sharpened it up. I've seen those techniques before, but what I learned today was just what I needed to concrete them and be able to do them.
The complexities of jiu-jitsu never cease to amaze me. With every move that you learn, there are always 15 more. And it takes someone very special and confident and talented to be able to explain those complexities and make them accessible to everyone from white to black belt.
The thing that sticks out in my mind is when he would talk about not using strength or power, you know.
Best seminar I've been to in years. It will definitely help my half guard game, and I plan to integrate a lot of the moves right away. So thank you, Gordo, and thank you, Batata.
I'll see you on the mat.